Hey guys, gonna bring you back another video, and that is how I clean my Rolex. This is gonna be my first time cleaning it, and it's a really complicated process, so stick around as I show you how I clean my brand new 2018 Rolex Submariner. It really doesn't actually need a clean, but in the bracelet, I do like to keep the bracelet clean so it doesn't get little rocks and dust particles in it, and that is to prevent bracelet stretch. So I'm gonna try and preserve it, and maybe I can see if there's any scratches on here, but this this bracelet holds up against scratches so much better than like a Steinhardt steel would. You know, my previous watch was a Steinhardt, and the bracelet was just scratched up after the first wear. So you can see this one here, this 904L steel that they use, is very robust. Virtually nothing. I mean, and I am a huge desk diver. What's this? What's going on here? Okay, so I'm gonna show you the process of cleaning this watch. Alright, here is my watch. I've had it for about a month now. I'm just gonna give it a light cleaning, and this cleaning is as recommended straight off of the Rolex website. There's a Rolex care and cleaning page on the official Rolex website, and it's very complicated, and I'm gonna show you what it entails. First step, most important step, is make sure your crown is sealed tightly. If there's anything you're gonna do at all before cleaning your watch, is screw your crown. Make sure it's tight. You don't have to kill it, but you know, here I'm undoing it, and now I'm gonna do it up again, show you how much force I apply. You know, don't have to kill it, but make sure it's tight. Second step is water. I'm just gonna use lukewarm water. And the third step is soap. And that's it. Gonna get a thumbnail in there for you guys. And that's it. Soapy water, a tight crown, and your watch is gonna be clean and good as new. Actually seen a Rolex Submariner two-tone in the wild the other day at work, and the guy had it for 10 years, and it's so amazing how these watches, they maintain their luster and their shine after decades. It's really incredible. So I like to do this cleaning to get the dirt and grease out of the bracelet, especially, and the locking mechanism, because that's where all the dust builds the most. All these little crevices, you know, that's where all the sweat and grime and salt gets in the most. So and cleaning it and keeping it clean helps prevent bracelet stretch as well. So just gonna rub it in here, apply some water. Okay, now last step is drying it. I'm not going to use a cloth because I don't want hairline scratches from something like a towel like this forming, although I'm sure nothing will really happen. But I'm just going to let it air dry and just rest it on its crown and then get back to it in, I don't know, 20 minutes and wipe out any wipe off any what is it called, watermarks. Yeah, so there you go. That's how you clean a Submariner. I hope you guys like this video. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so close. If you want to see more videos, consider subscribing. If not, that's okay. And I will see you guys in the next video.